From the first time we laid eyes on the cabin, our heads have been spinning with ideas to bring the space to life and truly make it feel like home.
One of our first projects is to turn the cabin's front room into a screened-in porch. Completing this task will increase our living space, providing us with an outdoor area that brings in far more natural light than when we bought the place, as well as a cozy, dry space to watch those classic New England thunderstorms roll through.
A key factor to why Goal Zero systems were our top choice lies in the ability of the Yeti 6000X to handle the energy surges that power tools require, therefore allowing us to hit the ground running without having to worry about the electrical demands of our tools, thankfully eliminating logistical nightmares inherent with our off-grid situation and enabling us to work through projects in a more efficient manner.
Building the screened-in porch requires the use of a sawzall, a circular saw, a table saw, an orbital sander, and a nail gun, all of which can be powered directly from the 6000X.
Now, we could go to the store with measured window dimensions and wait for screens to be made somewhere, but that would be too easy and less fulfilling. Iz and I prefer a DIY solution, creating something with our own hands and the feeling of empowerment that comes through tackling a project from start to finish. It also allows us to source our materials from small local suppliers as opposed to a big box retailer. In our eyes, that's a win-win situation.
And when the work is done for the day, it's time to play.